Good morning everyone, it is Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel, and if this is your first time here, we hope that you will subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all of our videos. So today, as you can tell, I have just woken up. I am going to be doing a morning pregnancy routine for you guys. So come along with me as I show you exactly what I do every morning. So the first thing that I do is get up and drink my Ninja Red and make my breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then depending on how I feel, I'll either take an allergy medicine in the morning or I'll take this Super C, which is a vitamin C, and so I'm just trying to keep my immune system up, and that is what Ninja Red kind of does too. It just is a bunch of nutrients. It's wolfberry. Today I'm a little stuffy, so I'll probably take this and my allergy medicine. So I don't know if anybody else's weather has been absolutely ridiculous lately, but 2 days ago it was 30 degrees and now it's 60 degrees outside, so my allergies are a little bit off whack right now. So alright, so today for breakfast I'm going to make some eggs and sausage, and then I just ran out of my really good toast, but we have white bread, so I'll just have one piece of white bread. And yesterday I was at a cute little market and found some strawberry butter, so I'm gonna have a little bit of strawberry butter with it. Alright guys, here's my breakfast. So I got my eggs, my sausage, my toast with my strawberry butter, and then orange juice. I'm gonna go ahead and get some food in Daisy's bowl because she's whining at me, obviously, because she's hungry. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat out on the porch with her, and then you'll see me back in a minute. Alright, so now that we have full bellies, I'm going to go ahead and get ready for the day. So first I start off with some witch hazel and just kind of wipe off anything that is excess from last night. so I got this at Walmart, and the brand is called Aladdin. It's BPA free. It is plastic, but it is BPA free. So I try to drink this. It's 32 ounces before I leave. You know, water intake is really important when it comes to pregnancy, so I'm trying really hard to get as much as I can in. I'm finding that towards the end of the day I don't drink as much, so I try to get as much as I can in earlier in the day. And then I have a different cup that I use at work that is 24 ounces, and so I try to fill that up as much as I can. I also have a big gallon of water that I fill up while I'm at work, and then I continue to fill up my other drink while I'm at work. So then the last thing that I do is, Valor has been my favorite oil lately. So I will load up on this, put it right on my wrist, rub it on in, and then right here on my neck. And I kind of just rub it on all over my neck. All right, so now that my hair and makeup are ready, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then we're gonna take Daisy for a walk. Okay, so there's one last thing that I forgot I like to do before I go on my walks with Daisy, and that is to make my raspberry leaf tea. Raspberry leaf tea is really good for pregnancy after you're in your second trimester. So I try to drink the tea every day. Sometimes I just don't get to it, but today I have a little bit of time, so I'm gonna go ahead and brew up my water, and I'm gonna make my tea for my walk. So I got my water brewing, and then I just use this little tea stewer thing that I got from Tivana, and then I've got the loose leaf raspberry tea in here. So I usually just pour a little bit in there, and then just make sure that it just kind of covers the bottom. It's too much. Just enough to cover the bottom, just like that. I will link below all of the stuff that I use in my morning routine, but this loose leaf tea comes in a ginormous bag, so just be cognizant of that when you go to buy it. So it sounds like my water is boiled, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my perfect. So I'm just gonna let that sit here for about 3 minutes while I go brush my teeth, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so also once I come in here and brush my teeth, what I will do is put on my belly cream, and I will link that below, and also I'll link it up above in the iCard so that you can click on that video to see how I made it. This is awesome. I have 0 stretch marks so far, and I tend to get stretch marks really easily. I'm really, really impressed with it. So I typically put it right on my belly, on my hips, and on my insides of my thighs. My hips and my thighs already had stretch marks, but I'm trying to prevent them from getting any more. And my stomach didn't have any, and like I said, I don't have any right now. So I'm really impressed with this recipe. I've ran out of it. I need to make some more. Scraping the sides. But I put about that much on my hand, and then I just rub my hand together, and you'll see it starts to melt. And then I just rub it all over. I have a scar from a prior surgery, and it's actually starting to help it go away as well, which I'm really excited about. All right, so now what I do, I just put the remaining on Daisy. I just rub it all over her. She loves it, so I'm gonna put her lotion on now. All right, so my tea is all stewed. So I'm just gonna grab one of my coffee cups and pour it in there. Ready for a walk. You ready? Let's go. All right, so when we go for our walks, we go around my block, which is a mile, and it takes me about 25 to 30 minutes to do that, you know, with me being kind of slower and Daisy having to make her stops and me having to pick up stuff. So it takes about 30 minutes, which is great. So we do this in the morning, and then we also go at night with Daddy. All right, guys, Daisy and I are back from our walk, and now I'm gonna do the last thing that I do before I leave the house. So if I have a little bit more time, then I'll just pick up a little bit around the house. I will, you know, put laundry away, or I'll just kind of keep the house clean. You know, things just kind of clutter up on surfaces, so I will put those all away. But I always like to at least make my bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my bed and head out for the day. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like more videos like this, let us know. Give us a thumbs up, comment below, and we will do more like this. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.